guys, looking back. What? Oh my god. Okay, I'll tell you how to make a chain actually. Okay. What move if you go out energy? Oh, I just want. Okay, what you won't move if you go out of the energy. Do not press the forward. Use just 4 current book. You can bread and bake and make and you vanish in the space it takes. Command block train. Players drive energy do not break any command block goes in the village. Let's go for the bill. Okay, I wouldn't wait. I'll just go to tell you where's the train. Oh my god, what just happened there to this house? Oh my god. Oh, did I just broke this hole with my chain? That's a really nice chain. Here's the player. Oh my god. Okay. No. Players will sit here. And then we have to go here. I'll tell you how to download the map. It will just make that like this. Let's go start. We're digging underground with this train. You wouldn't believe me? Okay, I'll tell you how. How you will do this. Okay. I'll make a glass here. Oh no. Make this glass over here. Okay, it's 2 glass actually. 3. Here it is. 3. Okay, let's try up the train. Sorry for breaking my bottle, mommy. Go in. Let's move. We're digging. Yay, we're digging. Go tree, go. And you tree also. Let's check out. Where is the glass? Oh, I told you. Here's it. The glass was here. We moved into there. You can go ahead with this train. I'll say until here. Maybe let's make a block here. And let's try out. Okay, I forget to tell you. Please see the description. I will write in the not write in the description. I'll tell you how in the video. Okay, so you can go with this train to the end of the world. But what the heck? This watch will move with me? What the heck? Oh my god, no, it will move. Oh no.